Hello everyone. In this video you are going to learn about parameter actions in Tableau with a simple example of showing the values in state in the drill down when you select a particular region. So parameter actions are used when user want to change the parameter values dynamically in the visualization. So you can use the parameter actions with reference lines, calculations, filters and SQL queries. So in this video I have used parameter actions for calculated field. So let me do it from scratch. So I will remove all this and I will remove this parameter and I will remove this calculated field. So first thing is I will create an empty parameter. So create parameter and I will name it as choose region. So data type is a string. So current value is I'm just leaving it as empty. Then click on OK. So empty parameter is created. And now let me drag region into row shelf. So I'm going to create a calculated field. So I will name it as drill down states. Let me write the calculation. So if the parameter value is choose region is equals to region, then state, else region, end. So what this calculation is going to do is, so choose region is a parameter and region state and region are the fields. So whenever the region that we are selecting is equals to the region, like it might be central, east, south or west, so then it will show the values in the state dimension. Okay, so click on OK and I will drag this calculated field right of this region. Okay, so when I click on this region, there is no any action performing in this calculated field. So to add parameter action to this view, we need to go worksheet and click on actions, then click on add action and choose this option change parameter and I will name it as region state action. So source sheet is parameter actions and target parameter choose region, then source field is drill down states, which is the calculated field, and select this set value to, so that parameter value will revert to the indicated value. So then click on OK and then OK. So parameter action is added in the view. So when I click on any region, then the view is updating with the values of state in the drill down for the selected region. So when I select on the west, so these are all the values of state in the drill down for the selected region west. So this is how to use parameter actions in Tableau. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.